Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is vegan gluten-free tempeh bacon. Great anytime, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a late night snack. So let's get started. We're starting today with our gluten-free tempeh. It's important to always soften your tempeh before you use it. Today I'm softening it with 2 cups vegan broth to 1 cup of water. I bring it to a low boil, reduce the heat, add the tempeh, and simmer for about 20 minutes. And go ahead and remove it and set it to the side. Now we'll get started with our marinade. For our marinade, we use gluten-free tamari or soy sauce, minced garlic, onion powder, liquid smoke, maple syrup, blackstrap molasses, salt and pepper. Salt is optional. Your tamari or soy sauce may be salty enough. Place all your marinade ingredients into a medium to small bowl and give it a good whisk. Place your marinade to the side. Okay, let's get slicing. Let's carefully cut 1/4 inch thick strips. Any thinner, they may fall apart when you go to cook them. Place the sliced tempeh carefully into a shallow dish or into a sealable bag. Cover the tempeh with the marinade for 2 hours overnight. The longer, the better. Okay, let's get cooking. Let's fry them, bake them, or place them in an air fryer. The crispier, the better, I think. Makes a great tempeh, bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. This is so delicious. Put some vegan mayo, lettuce, you can add spinach, add your tempeh, some fresh tomatoes. This sandwich is 3 layers of tempeh bacon goodness. Enjoy this vegan gluten-free life tempeh bacon side. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and let me know how you made it your own. And don't forget to check out veganglutenfreelife.com for more recipes, videos, and so much more. Myself and my 4-legged vegan babies want to take the time to thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!